Good evening, loves. I'm K.Hill. Make sure I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. This one kind of runs a little bit, so hopefully you'll tell me if I do get lipstick on my teeth as I'm talking. But, anywho, good evening. Welcome to another edition of CurlChat. I'm K.Hill, owner of LockAccessories.com, your online resource for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. And tonight, or today, it's Friday. And we have Friday Faves. So I'm going to be giving you a little inside look on some of my favorite hair tools that I use and that other people use for styles that slay all day. Hashtag slay all day. So tonight's Friday Fave is, believe it or not, the extra long bobby pin. Can you see that? Yes. And I know your first reaction is like, hey, that is so basic. But hear me out. I'm going to show you a regular bobby pin versus the extra long bobby pin. And it'll start to make more sense. So take a look. This is your average size bobby pin right here. And this is the extra long bobby pin. You see that difference there? And honestly, it makes a world of difference with styling. Now that I've used the extra long bobby pin, I do not go back to the regular bobby pin. Because simply for curly girls and my lock stars, it does a much better job of holding your style in place. You can pick them up at your local beauty supply store, I'm sure. I actually order mine online, and they're a part of a kit that I put together called the Hair Emergency Kit. I don't sell them separately. I sell them as part of a package. And I am going to show you, if you even want to go further and level up your bobby pin usage, you want to get the Magic Twist bobby pin. Have you seen or ever tried to use these? The Magic Twist bobby pin? They take the place of 10 of these regular ones. And you'll see why in a minute. I have a special guest with me tonight. Layla, she's going to join us and she's going to demonstrate how to use the Magic Twist pen. So I'm going to bring Layla on. This is Layla. And she normally wears her hair in a bun, but tonight we have her with the ponytail so that I can demonstrate for you how to use the Magic Bobby Pin, the Magic Twist Pin. So hopefully this will work. We'll see how it goes. Because I'm going to work with one hand instead of two. So if you want to, do your style, I didn't practice this beforehand, so hopefully it shows well. But say you want to put your hair up in an updo and put it in a bun. And normally with regular size bobby pins, you're going to end up using like, a handful of bobby pins to try to get the style to stay in place. But with the Magic Twist pen, you don't have to do that. Because this, you take, let's see, can I get it up there? I'm going to step on my tippy toes. So you take the Magic Twist pen and you kind of start it. And then you just twist. Can you see that? You twist until it goes securely into the hair. You see that? And that takes the place of several bobby pins. And so then you have your bun. Imagine that was just her bun and not a bun on top of a bun. But yeah, thank you, Layla. I'm going to put her down so I can talk to you. But yeah, That is the magic twist pin that works wonders. And then we have the extra long bobby pin, which once you add to your hair tool stash, you'll never go without it, because it really is. And actually keep a few in your purse as well, because you never know when you might have a hair emergency, and these come in really handy. So tonight it was a really quick one. Just wanted to hop on and give you my Friday faves. I think I'm going to make this a regular segment where I come on every Friday and bring you one of my favorite hair tools that make your life a heck of a lot easier. I, again, am K.Hill of LockAccessories.com, your online home for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. And it is my mission to give you curly confidence so that you can show up in life as your very best version of yourself. And confidence is a part of that. So tune in with me next time. And until next time, be well. Bye.